What do you mean by belief in the books and the messengers? Let's understand 4 items on this issue. It means that Allah sent the messengers like Moses alayhi salam, Jesus alayhi salam, Ibrahim alayhi salam, Nuh alayhi salam, because Allah has made a promise to Adam alayhi salam that from time to time He will be sending the prophets as well as the books. And the books were sent down, which we are aware of it. Torah, which was given to Musa alayhi salam. Injil, it was given to Isa alayhi salam. Zabur al-Pam was given to Dawud alayhi salam. And the Quran was given to Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And the purpose of all of them is to call to worship Allah alone and associating nothing with Him. Allah sealed or finalized the messengers with Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam as the last messenger and abrogated all the previous book with the revelation of the Quran. So Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last prophet and the last revealed book is the Quran. Therefore now the worshipping should be done according to the Quran and to the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thank you.